Hello guys, good evening to everyone and happy Monday. So today, actually I just got up from my nap. So I'm going to make dinner. So today I'm gonna make a chicken manchurian. So I have marinated. This is the chicken breast. Sorry, I have marinated with salt and lemon. And I have here the flour. This is the all-purpose flour mixed with rice flour. And then I have put salt and mixed herbs. So I'm using these mixed herbs. Okay. And then there's my daughter.
It's a very mess hair.
Your hair is such a messy.
Yeah, because I've been rolling down the floor. That's why I'm getting this.
Yes. So actually we just got up from our nap. So now it's 6 o'clock in the evening. So it's time to make dinner. And now we have to coat our chicken pieces with the flour. So we dump all the chicken here. Yeah. Chicken pieces.
And then you mix it.
And then we coat them. And then we fry it.
Let's do like that.
We just have to coat the chicken very well with the flour mixture. I'll wait. And after this is enough, then we have to fry it. You can also use beaten egg. You can dip your chicken pieces before you dip in a mixed flour. But this recipe, I'm not using any egg because right now I'm out of eggs. So this is what I'm doing right now. This is no egg.
Because there's only one more egg, but I use it in my rice. And then now we don't have any more money to buy in the shop. But I'm not coming because it's no allowed kids.
Because of what?
Coronavirus.
Yes. What happened if you have
home
corona?
and stay safe.
Yes. What happened if you have corona?
You will sick and you will die.
So that's why better to be
home.
Yes. Okay. Now let's start cooking, guys. So now I have put oil here and it's all heated up. So now we have to throw our Now we have to throw our chicken in. So we have to put our chicken. And then
what can I do?
we have to cook it.
Mama, can I do the chicken?
Now we have to remove our chicken. It's already cooked, golden brown. See, as you can see, it's all golden brown. It's cooked. Now we have to put the second batch and last batch. You want to do it, baby?
Yes.
But this is so hot, love.
Okay, another.
You just have to watch
Whoa,
it, okay?
I like this one.
Yes. It's your favorite, yeah?
Yeah.
When you become like mama, then you can do it on your own, yeah? Okay, so guys, we have to cook this last batch.
I'm not touching it.
See?
And always remember to close your eyes.
Why we have to close our eyes?
Because it's burning.
Nice
Coming to
looking.
your eyes.
My chicken is nice looking. Now our second batch is also ready. We have to remove it from the pan. Yes. Wait. So this is cooked. Sorry guys, it's just so noisy. My child. So now it's my chicken manchurian. So now we have to make the gravy. And for the gravy, okay, we will be using onion. I have 2 onions. I have 7 cloves of garlic, 7 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, green chili, 2 numbers, and a carrots. So I made like this, like a design. Okay, on this is 2 carrots because I have small ones. And then I'm going to Sichuan chutney. I'm using soy sauce, oyster sauce, and red chili sauce. And then I'm gonna also use corn flour, 1 tablespoon mixed with water, and half teaspoon of sugar. Actually, you can also add capsicum and spring onion, but I don't have those, so that's why I am using the carrots. So now let's get started. I have here the oil, the same oil which I have fried my chicken, the same oil I'm using for my gravy. So in here, first we have to put our onion. And just saute this until translucent. After this, we can put our chopped garlic.
This is my favorite, but I keep taking it.
And chopped green chili. Then saute another more 1 to 2 minutes. Now we can put our carrots. So I chop like this so my daughter will eat it.
I'm already eating now.
So we have to saute the vegetables like for 2 minutes before we put the other ingredients. So this is okay now. So now we can put our Sichuan sauce. I'm gonna put like half tablespoon only because my chicken is not much. And then 1 tablespoon of Sichuan sauce. I have put half tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and red chili sauce. I'm gonna put half teaspoon as well. Half tablespoon, sorry. I don't know what's wrong of teaspoon. Half tablespoon. And 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And half teaspoon of sugar. Just to balance the taste. No need to put salt. Everything has a content of salt already. So no need to put salt. And then mix it well. And we can add water. And now we can add our water. For the water, it's depend on you. For me, my chicken is not much, so I will not add so much of water. This one will be enough. And then just cover and simmer this for 5 minutes. And now in this stage we have to put our chicken pieces. And then put our corn flour to thicken the sauce. Put it in. Then we have to cover this again and cook for another 4 minutes. Okay, so let's check. See, look at my chicken manchurian. Very nice. So now we have to taste if it's okay. Less of salt, so I'm gonna add more of oyster sauce, like half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oh my god, I'm finished of oyster sauce. My oyster sauce is finished. So now I have added half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now let's just simmer again for another just a minute. 1 minute. Ooh, very nice. So now let's check again if the salt is okay. Perfect. This is good enough. So see, my manchurian is ready. I hope you guys like my chicken manchurian recipe today. Until next time, bye!
Please like,